Hi, it's Ronnie, and today I'm going to show you how you can super quickly import the recipes that you see while you're scrolling on Instagram or TikTok or Facebook or Pinterest, literally any app that you're using to find recipes online. So there is this delicious looking cheesy zucchini chicken fritter recipe that I want to import. I'm here on Instagram. All I'm going to do is press the share icon, which is the one that looks like a little paper airplane. And then it's going to give me all these different options. And I'm going to click the share to option. And that's going to bring up the apps that I could share it to. So I'm going to hit plan to eat, going to open the app and import the recipe for me. Going to give me these cute little vegetables while we're waiting. And now you can see that this recipe was imported successfully from Instagram. I'm going to scroll down here and voila, all of the ingredients are there, as well as the directions. I'm going to hit save, and it's in my recipe book. It's really that easy to get recipes from your social media apps into your Plant to Eat account.